Understanding muting someone, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, muting someone. This term is widely used in digital communication and can be quite handy to know. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Muting someone refers to the action of silencing the sound from a particular source. Originally, this term was used with electronic devices like TVs or radios, where you could press a mute button to stop the sound. However, in today's digital world, it has taken on a new meaning in the context of social media and online communication. When you mute someone on a social platform, it means you are choosing not to hear or see their posts, messages, or notifications without blocking or unfriending them. It's a way to filter out what you don't want to hear or see, without completely cutting off communication. The phrase, muting someone, can be used in both literal and metaphorical ways. Literally, you might say, "I'm muting the TV because I need some quiet." Metaphorically, in social situations, you might hear someone say, "I've muted him on social media," meaning they have stopped receiving notifications from that person. This term is especially relevant in the era of digital communication where managing online interactions has become a part of daily life. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Social media. I muted her stories on Instagram because they were too frequent. 2. Workplace communication. I'm muting the group chat for now to focus on my work. 3. Personal preference. I have muted notifications from news apps at night for a peaceful sleep. Understanding the term, muting someone, is crucial in today's digital age, as it helps in navigating online interactions and maintaining digital well-being. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your journey of mastering the English language. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.